Hi everyone, welcome to our video on mastering the layer set tool. This powerful new feature is designed to streamline your workflow by allowing you to save and restore groups of layers, complete with specific view orientations and zoom factors. Layer sets are very versatile, serving multiple purposes to enhance your design workflows. Whether you're swiftly navigating through different work setups or showcasing saved views for a presentation, layer sets are your go-to solution. In today's video, we'll dive into the practical application of layer sets within our race car project. You'll learn how to create a range of views, save them for future reference, and seamlessly switch between them with ease. Let's begin by creating a layer set of our race car, bounding box, and dimensions. I'm simply going to turn off my cameras so that I get just my race car, and let's zoom up, and that looks good. I'm going to go to layer sets. Layer sets are in the Concept Explorer, located under Tools, Concept Explorer, and it's on the lower left hand side of the screen. We're going to click Create Layer Set, and we're going to give it a name. We'll say Dimensions Bounding Box, and we'll click OK, and that creates it. Now let's go ahead and create another one, and this will be without our bounding box and layer dimensions. So I'm going to turn off our dimension, and I'm going to turn off the bounding box, and let's change the orientation a little bit and zoom up, and we'll create another layer set, and this time we'll call it race car ISO only. Okay, now I also have in my drawing I have a variety of rendered images that I want to quickly show, and what I will do there is I'm going to start with just the front view. I'm going to isolate that layer, and I'm going to zoom up, and I'll go to my layer set, and I'll say create layer set, and we'll do race car front view rendered. And let's do our side view. Same thing with our side view. Let's zoom up and create another layer set, and this will be race car side view rendered. Okay, we've created our layer sets. We can review our layer sets by clicking into our menu, and we can see I created 5 of them. And now let's switch between them. Let's go to our dimension with the ISO bounding box, and now let's go to the race car ISO only, and let's do the rendered front view and rendered side view. And for our next example, I have a 2D drawing, and I want to show you that layer sets are equally as valuable if you're just using 2D drawings. This is a large AutoCAD drawing with a collection of draw views as well as model set data. I've already created some layer sets, and I'm just going to recall these for you. The first one we're going to do is the model view, which we're seeing right now. And then let's go ahead and recall a rear view data. And lastly, an upper frame assembly. So you can see it quickly jumps between models and sheet views.
Thanks for watching.